Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this is another WAEC questions for taking log, and here we have if 2 log x bracket open 3 all over 8 is equal to 6. So the question here actually is asking you to find what? This x here. So let's know how to. Let's put it in a very simple way so that everybody will understand. So when you have this kind of question, what you should do, so you see that we have 2 of this and it's equal to 6. So the first step you're going to do is you divide both sides by 2 so that we'll eliminate these 2 and make everything. So that will be 2 log of x bracket open 3 whole number 3 all over 8 is equal to 6. So since we are dividing both sides by 2, so 2 we go with 2 because 2 divided by 2 is 1. So 1 times everything here is still the same thing. So that's log x 3 whole number 3 all over 8 is equal to 3. So with this, we know that 3 whole number 3 all over 8 means when you have a mixed fraction this way, what you do is you take the whole part, you multiply with the denominator, you add numerator. So that is 3 times the numerator, which is denominator, which is 8, then plus your numerator, which is 3 all over 8, all over denominator. So 3 times 8 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. Give you 27 all over 8. So this is the same thing as 27 all over 8. So let's put it back. So log of x bracket open 27 all over 8 is equal to 3. So now we know that, as I explained before, log is the inverse, is the way of writing indices. So when you have log of 32 base 2 and you're asked to find this, you think of what the base will raise to give you what? When 2 raised to the power of something is going to give you what? It's going to give you 32. So the same thing, since we have base x here, which means when we want to remove this log, we now say that 27 all over 8 is equal to x raised to power of 3, because x here actually is the base. So you think of what the base so what the base will raise to give you what is here, 27 all over 8. So now when you want to remove the log, you remove it by saying 3 raised to the power of what? 3, because that is what the base, this, you already have the answer here. So when this x raised to this power of 3 is going to give you what? 27 all over 8. So with this, we'll now take cube root from both sides. Cube root from both sides. Then cube root is going to remove, cube root is going to remove root of what? Root of 3. And with that, we now have that x is equal to the cube root of 27 means 3 times 3 times 3, and this is the same thing as 3 to the power of 3, and that will give us 3 to the power of 3 dividing. Then 8 means 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 8. So the same thing as 2 to the power of 3, and this will give us x will be equal to root of 3 cube root of 3 all over 2 all raised to the power of 3. Since they are having the same power, we'll factor it out by saying 3 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 3. In this way, 3 cube is going to remove cube root, and that will give you x is equal to 3 all over 2, and that will be your answer. So guys, please turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my channel as we grow together.